Tired of losing eBay auctions at the last second? Learn the exact steps to place a winning bid every time. I know that feeling. You find the perfect item, you watch the timer tick down, and then boom, someone snipes it right out from under you. It's frustrating. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be that way. In this video, I'll walk you through the bidding process from start to finish so you never miss out again. We're going to go step by step from finding that auction listing all the way through to hitting confirm. All right, so let's start with the very first step. You need to open an auction listing. Now, you've probably already searched for something on eBay and found a few items you're interested in, but pay attention here. Make sure the listing actually says auction and not buy it now. You want that little label that tells you there are bids and a timer counting down. Click into that listing. Take a look at the current price, check the shipping cost, and scroll through the description. Make sure the item is what you actually want before you commit. This is where a lot of people rush, and that's how mistakes happen. So, now that we've got the listing open, let's move on to the next part. You'll see a box that says Place Bid with a field right next to it. This is where you enter your bid amount. And here's the really important part. eBay uses what's called automatic bidding. That means you don't have to sit there and keep clicking to outbid someone. You set your maximum bid, the highest amount you're willing to pay, and eBay will bid for you, just enough to keep you in the lead, up to that limit. So if the current bid is $10 and you enter $50, eBay might only show your bid as $10.50 or $11 until someone else tries to beat you. This is how you win without paying more than you have to. In my experience, this is where people get tripped up. They think they have to bid just a little bit more than the current price. But no, go ahead and put in your true maximum. Just make sure it's an amount you're genuinely comfortable with. Once you've typed in your bid amount, go ahead and click the blue Place Bid button. It's right there below the bid box. This might take a moment to process, so don't click it twice. Give it a second. eBay is checking to see if you're still the highest bidder or if someone else has already placed a bid that's higher than yours. If you get outbid immediately, it just means someone else had a higher maximum. That's okay. You can always come back and try again if you really want the item. Now, this next step is one a lot of people skip, and it can cost them. After you click Place Bid, eBay will show you a review screen. It'll say something like, Review your bid. This is your last chance to double-check everything. Look at the amount you entered. Look at the item one more time. Make sure the shipping cost hasn't changed or that you didn't accidentally type an extra zero. I've seen people accidentally bid $200 instead of $20, so take a breath and confirm it's right. Finally, click the Confirm button. That's it. You've placed your bid. eBay will take you to a screen that shows your current bid status. You might be the highest bidder, or you might see a message that says you've been outbid. Either way, you know exactly where you stand now. And the best part? You don't have to babysit the auction. You can walk away and eBay will handle the rest up to your maximum. So that's the whole process. Open the listing, set your maximum bid, click Place Bid, review it, and confirm. It really is that simple once you know what you're doing. Now go ahead and try it on your next auction. You've got this.